everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Hey guys, we're going to take a look at an absolutely stunning 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Beautiful car, man. Complete frame-off restoration. Car's got about 500 miles on it, was done. Complete nut and bolt frame-off. Just as nice on the bottom as it is on top. Killer powertrain in it. It's a resto mod. It's got a 5.3 LS base, fuel injected engine in it with a Holly Sniper kit on it. Beautiful underneath the hood. Everything on it's billet. Killer car, guys. I can't say enough about this car. A buddy of mine from Tennessee is the one that got me this car. Matter of fact, we were actually talking about it last night. The only thing I really would like to see on this car is just a killer set of billet specialty wheels. It's got a beautiful set of Americans on it, but man, this car is really deserving of a high-end set of billets on it. But very nice car, runs and drives excellent. Really nicely done car, man. Love the red on red. Of course, it's got the white Super Sport stripes. It's got the operable cowl induction hood. Killer car, man. Turnkey, take it right to the car show. That kind of car, and really nicely done. It's got the cool analog Dakota gauge cluster in it. It's only showing like 10-12 miles, but he said it's actually got about 500 miles on the restoration. As you walk around this thing is just slick. Sorry guys, just a little wax in there. This is a good looking car, man. This car is just tough. Again, it's got the functional cowl induction hood. Glass is nice, power windows. You can see how nice that dash is in there. And I'm telling you, you turn the key and blaze down the road, this thing rocks. Really nice car. This is the back window. That's original. You can see it's just got a little bit of scratching to it. It's got rear defog in it too. Killer car. Of course, 70 Chevelles, man, everybody's hunting for them. It's a good body style. '18 and 20-inch American Racing torque thrust on it. It's got ZR rated rubber. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. You can see the big chrome tips on it. Not much to nitpick here, guys. This car is just pretty, man. Pretty car. Four-wheel disc brakes. And like I say, when you see the pictures of the bottom of it, it's just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Again, this is a 5.3 LS based EFI engine. It's got the Holly Sniper EFI kit on it. That's everything on here on the front is all billet. Really nicely done. Power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. It's got aftermarket vintage AC. It's got hooker headers on it. 200 R4 automatic overdrive trans. Aluminum radiator. And they've, like I say, it's got the custom cowl hood. When I say custom, normally these work off the carburetor. This one just works when you slam it, which is pretty cool. This is a nice car, man. Really nicely done. It's got the dual electric fans on it. Really dig this car. I love that red interior in there too, man. You can see the glass is nice. Got a couple little scratches in it, but really nice glass. Mirrors are new. Door handles are new. You can see they put the new door rubbers in the car. Power windows. It's got a little fade to the armrest. New carpet, new sill plates. Bucket seats, console. It's got the tilt column with the sport steering wheel. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. That red in there is pretty. I've ordered a set of Chevelle SS floor mats for it, so those will go with the car. Again, it's got the super cool analog gauge cluster in it from Dakota. It's factory AM FM radio, but I don't even think it's hooked up. It's got the newer vintage air switches on it. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust, 12 bolt 331 limited slip rear end with the rear sway bar. Of course, it's got the box control arms and everything. You can see it's all spackle coated in the trunk. Good looking vet, good sounding vet rolling down the road out there. Beautiful day for it. Again, the car's very nice underneath. New fuel tank. I got some pictures of the bottom for you. Again, those power windows are cool. They work. Look how clean and crisp this car is. I was hoping those mats would come in today, but I think it's taking just a little bit longer to get nowadays. You got fired up, Nathan. Oh, shit. Well, pretty cool. Just kicked your air on. Again, it blows cold. Yep. Good looking car, man. Gauges are all super cool. Again, it's only showing 12 miles, but it's about 500, they said, actually on the odometer, or actually on the car. Backup lights work. This car scoots, man. I'll tell you, it runs good. Radio isn't even hooked up. The switches all work. That's all new. Again, your power windows work. Your wipers going. And again, give it a little rev so they can see it. See your flapper open up there. It's pretty cool. Make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Excuse me. Another way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. There should be a little button you can click on right now. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these new videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.